Okay, for the person who has been commenting on how to make a fire alarm system, I will show you how to make a fire alarm system. So, this is a more advanced fire alarm system, and it also has a carbon monoxide system with it. And since I'm making a new system, I might as well show y'all a tutorial. So, there's different ways I do it. So first one is you're going to make a redstone clock, like this. And you can make it slow or fast by tapping the redstone repeaters. So that's one way you can make a fire alarm system. Another thing, if you want multiple pull stations, there are ways to as well. So, and then after that, you're gonna place you're gonna need some red wool. It really doesn't matter what block. But pull stations on real life are red, so if you want to actually make it like a pull station, I recommend using red concrete. Now you're gonna place this, then after that you're gonna place your observer, and like this. And also you can make a reset button by doing this. You need a piston. And then you need a reset lever. And make sure the lever is on, like it's down, or else your system won't work. I recommend using a different color for the reset and the pull station so you won't get confused. Okay, you gotta do that. And then there you go. Now you can place a block or a no block, whatever you want to place. Okay, and now it should be like this. Alright, fire alarm's going off. You reset it. Another thing, if some of y'all been watching my videos, y'all might have noticed in my fire alarm, oh, this one is going off. This one is going off. But y'all might have noticed that my fire alarm systems have a trouble alarm. Y'all might have noticed this. Now, it goes off when you reset it. And why do I use this? So I don't forget, because every time I film a video, I keep failing. The fails keep happening, so I came up with an idea. I made like a trouble alarm, and I now don't fail anymore, so I don't have to keep retaking. And there's another way to make a fire alarm system as well. Now, I'm going to show you this fire alarm system. This one has a sprinkler water flow alarm. All these fire alarm systems have sprinkler systems. This one has a sprinkler system and trouble alarms equipped. This one was more difficult to make. Well, it's not. I would say it's more difficult to make because firstly, there's a carbon monoxide system and a fire alarm system and a sprinkler system. The others don't have a sprinkler system. So another way to make... So I'm going to show you how to make a trouble alarm. So first you're going to want to build where you want to build, whether it's a house, school, maybe a store, anything, and then you install it. So I'm going to build like a small little thing real quick. Okay, I've made my little thing. Now I'm gonna put the fire alarm. Alright, so I made the fire alarm system. So, oh, I forgot to connect it. Make sure this is, down or it won't work. And then, make sure you place redstone right there. Now, this is how it should be. And there you go. That's how you make your fire alarm system. So yeah, that's how you make a fire alarm system. It's pretty extensive. Well, I've never seen any fire alarm systems. Like, the fire alarm systems that I've seen on Minecraft, the YouTubers who filmed that, and when I made my fire alarm systems, I'm not saying it's better than anybody else's, but it is pretty extensive. I think that it's pretty more extensive than the other fire alarm systems I've seen on YouTube. I mean, nobody has came up with this at all, a trouble alarm at all, and I've never seen anybody come up with a trouble alarm in Minecraft, or come up with this when a flashing light for when the second system is active. Now, sprinkler system, but this is pretty much extensive. And also, I've never seen a carbon monoxide alarm at all, and I've never seen a sprinkler water flow in anybody's systems in Minecraft. So yeah, these systems are pretty extensive. Now, I'm not saying that my fire alarm systems are better than everybody's. I'm just saying pretty extensive. That this, I was like surprised. Why don't they have a sprinkler alarm? Because that would be cool. Because actual fire alarm systems in real life have sprinkler alarms, sprinkler bells when the sprinklers activate. So yeah, pretty extensive. And I might think about adding carbon monoxide alarms in all my other systems. Like that system right there. And this system right there. Now for the system that you commented on, this is how I made it. You do this, you place redstone on the side of it, then you place a redstone repeater, place it, that, then you place a lever. Now there's a way to place multiple pull stations with this. You have to use the piston method. You're gonna need a redstone. Never mind. That's gonna be stupid. Oh, you just connect this. Yep. So yeah, these systems are pretty extensive. Comment if you think these systems are very extensive. And out of all Minecraft fire alarm videos, have you seen which one is your oh my god, my throat. Which one is your favorite? Yeah, I don't want to have a strong ego about this. But I'm just saying, I've never seen people put sprinkler alarm. I've never seen carbon monoxide alarms in Minecraft. I've never seen trouble alarms. I'm pretty much the first one who has came up with a trouble alarm in Minecraft. And I don't think I'm the first to come up with a carbon monoxide, have a carbon monoxide system in Minecraft. I don't think I am. I'm gonna search it up and see. But yeah, these systems are pretty extensive, if you ask me. If you think they are. So yeah, if you think it is, then comment down below. Because, I mean, this is pretty extensive. Hold on, let me just... Because watch, hold on. So we get our carbon monoxide alarm. We get our carbon monoxide alarm. Yep, we got our carbon monoxide alarm. Yeah, pretty extensive if you ask me, and it has a sprinkler system as well. But everybody's fire alarm systems, pretty much in Minecraft have sprinkler systems, but not trouble alarms. Pretty much the first one to have a trouble alarm in a Minecraft fire alarm system. Okay, just went off because I'm tired of failing, and And I would say the trouble alarm is pretty helpful. And actually, it's kind of like an actual fire alarm system because fire alarm systems do have trouble signals. They do have trouble signals. So yeah. Also, if you wanted to see it go off, here you go. Oh wait, forgot something. Alright, so if you want to see it go off, here you go. And yes, I forgot to add water in it. And I forgot to disconnect the trouble alarm. Alright, just thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.